Hello and welcome to my apartment. Please come on in. So, welcome. We are here in Berlin and this is my new apartment that I have. I finally got a nice studio place and I'm so happy here. It's like my little sanctuary. I wanted to show you guys around. So first thing, why don't we go ahead and go into the kitchen, which is just right over here. So follow me. And I have a really cool picnic table to do work at or whatever. And I keep some various snacks and things. These are actually from Thailand. I just took a recent trip to Thailand. I got some Thai tea. It's super good. I love Thai tea. And I also got some like body oil, and this is from Kia. She got me a little bee. And then also some more Thai snacks. These are for my boyfriend. He hasn't taken them yet. So yeah, anyway, it's nice to sit here, have lots of candles and everything, and just kind of have some sentimental things. Also this thing too, this is like a chocolate M from the Netherlands. It's for such a class. So yeah, I also got this from my boyfriend. And so yeah, this is the rest of the kitchen. It's pretty simple. I don't have an actual like kitchen. It's just got like a washing machine, a refrigerator, a sink, and that. But that's all you really need anyway. You don't really need much else. So that's very nice. And yeah, I just have like lots of bottles here and some food, avocado. And then in here it's just like a little storage area. It's nothing super special. And so yeah, so this is the kitchen, and I also have a bike here. This is actually from the previous owner, the girl I'm renting from. I haven't taken it out yet, but it seems like a nice bike. So yeah, it's cool. I like the color too. Okay, so let's go ahead and head into the bathroom quickly. And just a fair warning, my bathroom is super white, super bright, so you see everything. So, but we cleaned it up, so it looks super nice. So this is the bathroom. And we just took showers in here, so it's a little bit wet and everything, but it's simple and nice. I also don't have a shower curtain, if you don't notice. We're working on engineering how to make a shower curtain. So yeah, like it's just, we just put a towel down. But that's okay. You don't need a lot. Like, we don't need to have a lot of things. If it works, it works. So, and it also produces the best hot water ever. So that's all that's really important to me, to be honest. And yeah, just sink, everything like that. And also some of my products and stuff that I use. I also got some really cool also things from Thailand, some like mango soap and like little candles. Like this is also another little candle that I got. So it's very nice. Just some of my products I use. I don't use, well, these are the ones I use daily, but you know, other than that, the rest of the stuff is down here, but we won't show that. Okay. Yes. Okay, so we're done with the bathroom. So nice. And let's go ahead and go into the living space and sleeping space, because they're both in one space. So this is it here. It's super big, super nice. I love it. It's really great because, yeah, I don't really mind sleeping and living in the same space. Like, to be honest, it's always kind of been like that for me. So this is totally fine. I love it. So if you come in, my first thing is, another thing I got in Thailand was this little elephant thing. I'm like obsessed with elephants. And it's just a little chain thing. It's really cute. Very nice. And the next thing is my big bookshelf. So I just have some various books on here. I have Zoe's book here. I love reading this. And also, yeah, just various other things. You're a Badass. I really liked this motivation myth book. Yeah, we got a Trump book here. I tried reading this. I just couldn't do it. I wasn't super into it. And also, I really like this book as well. It's also a very good book. I started reading this when I was in France, just for like a working holiday, and they just had that book laying around, and so I decided to get it, and it's really nice. I'm almost finished with it, so it's very good. And also on this bookshelf, I keep my meditation stuff. So I have like my mala beads here. And then also some of my crystals. I think it's really nice to just keep them by my bed. This one Cheryl got for me from Nonstop Paris for like a Secret Santa. It's probably my favorite one. I really like this crystal. And yeah, there's some more books here and everything. Some gifts, like one of my good childhood friends got me that notebook. And yeah, and then also it came with all these cool quotes at the top, which is nice. So I think it's really cool to have like little quotes around. And if you're thinking about this, I got this in the Netherlands at like a pancake farm. They had like a claw thing that you can grab stuff, and so I grabbed that. And yeah, so that's the bookshelf. Okay, and the bed. So this actually is like an old futon bed. So you can make it into a couch if you want, but I already have a couch, so it's okay. We'll just keep it a bed. And yeah, I have these stuffed animals. I don't know if it's silly to keep stuffed animals, but I really love them. This is my oldest stuffed animal ever. His name is Night Night Dog. I love him so much. He's a little bit grungy because I got him when I was like 2. And so I've always just, taken him around with me. He's been a lot of places. And also this bear I actually got from a Instagram follower. He actually came to Berlin and we went to a Christmas market and he played like a game and got it for me. So yeah, it was really nice and really sweet of him, and I really love this bear as well because yeah, it's so nice. And then also this funny Angry Birds thing. This I got this in Belgium actually at like a fair. And yeah, I just won him at like one of those machines where you put coins in it constantly and you get like more coins back, and then you get like, I don't know, little tickets and stuff. So it's kind of funny. And so yeah, this is the bed. And so the next thing, I just have this here. It's just filled with stuff. Yeah, it's just, yeah, the reality of life. And just got some random things on here. And I also gave Kia a tarot card reading the other night. What did you think, Kia?
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, it was really fun.
I'm excited for my future.
I'm excited for it too. And I just got this Christmas star. I really like it. I don't know where to put it though. I think it's a little bit awkward here. So if you guys have any ideas of where to like put it, then let me know. I would love to have your suggestions. And then yeah, these are just some like winter clothes I got. Some of this workout stuff isn't mine. This is just from the girl that previously lived here. But I really like having this clothing rack because it just it displays like your nice clothes. And when it was a bit warmer, I had warmer clothes here, and then now I switched these out to have more cozy clothes. So I like that. And also too, this light here, if you guys can see, are like little Christmas things. You can get these at Christmas markets, and I really like them. So it just creates ambient light. So that's nice. And then this is the couch. The couch is also very comfy, so it's nice to just chill here with like a morning coffee or something. And yeah, there's so much to say else about the couch. And then we have just like a side table with just some more books on it. I got like my plant here, and she's doing not so well. I don't know. She has like some things on her, so I don't know. But yeah, I got like I'm rereading the 4-Hour Work Week as well, and I got some notebooks for the things like the, what do you call it? Like the exercises in the book. So I just like to do all the exercises. I used to not do exercises in books, but I think it's actually really beneficial. Like if you're going to read a book and get the information, you might as well do the exercises that the author gives you. So I'm starting to do that. It just takes a lot longer. And then we have Kia's stuff. I like her little suitcase. It's so cute. And then, I don't know, this is just like the mirror area. I have like, I got this from my boyfriend. It says like, I'm in love with you. Right, Kia?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then also his mom got this for me as well, so it's very nice. It's like a little peacock thing. Well, she gifted it. I think she got it from one of her friends and she gave it to me. So it's very nice. I like having these things here. It just reminds me that I have lots of love in my life, and I'm very grateful for all of that. And yeah, and then I also have like this quote here. I really like this. It's like a law of attraction quote. It's like the thoughts you think is the life you live, and the thoughts you think is the world you see. So think the life to yourself that you want to give, and then just joyfully be. So this is like my life motto. And then also this plant is also not doing so well. I think it's just the winter and I was gone. I think they just, yeah, this leaves keep falling off. And also, I know it's like weird, I have photos of myself here, but actually these photos were taken by a photographer the first time that I came to Berlin in this cafe called Cafe Cinema. And he took these photos, he took them on film. So they are totally, you know, he had to go into a dark room and do them. So I thought it's amazing that he took so much effort, and I just randomly met him at this cafe. So if you guys go to Cafe Cinema, this photographer has photos of all these people that he took in the cafe. So I couldn't find myself up there, but that's okay. I have these memories. And also this is the first time I came to Berlin, and I knew then that I probably would live here one day. So it's very cool. And so that's why I like to keep these photos around. They're just very special. And yeah, and then just a lamp and then some candles and stuff like that. I've got a cooling rack. And then this is the closet. It's nothing special. Just got like dirty clothes and just other clothes as well. And some extra like linens and stuff. And then I just have like whatever, like underwear and things like that in that one. And yeah, I think that's the tour. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I love every single one of you. Let me know what you think about the Christmas star, because I'm still at a loss. I have no idea where to put it. And I hope you guys are having the most beautiful day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all so much. Mwah! And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!